Bonsoir à tous et merci d'être très nombreux.
Good evening to all of you, and thank you for all being here at ALL4PACK. We're going to talk about innovation and the latest trends. The Innovation Awards, which just occurred, and 250 participants took part. 46 were shortlisted. All that is in all 7, and we have 9 finalists. And amongst those 9, we have one of them. It's going to be an international set today in a panel because we have Vincent Petit, Technical and Sales Director of Matéquip, and Lebo Duarte, European Commercial Director for Mondini. Good afternoon. How are you? Yeah? Good, good. So, gentlemen, you innovated with Platform Air. So let's start by explaining what this is all about.
G.Mondini, which is a company that specializes in tray sealing systems. And we developed a platformer to allow us to extend the applications for using tray sealers, and also for bringing innovation to the customer by allowing them to make trays in their own facility.
On va pouvoir d'ailleurs voir les images de cette magnifique innovation.
We're going to see pictures of the innovation. You talked about the innovation, Mr. Petit. Now, what is so different here? You take a coil, you draw a line and you heat the plates, heat form cups, and this is going to give us an advantage, which because the machine at our clients pull expandable film before it is cut, and after that it is going to be drawn. But what we want to do is to come back and have a machine in line. It's a thermal former inline. Maybe Leo wants to tell us more about the advantages. I don't know.
The advantages allows the customer to be very flexible on the type of container that they can manufacture. Allows them to be very quick and easy to change in terms of the flexibility of the system. So they can use the platformer, or they can also use pre-made trays, depending on the products and the customers they have. And also, the other big significant cost, it allows the platformer and the Mondini tray sealing technology to go into areas where there isn't easily a supply of pre-made trays. Okay, so it extends the ability for customers in other areas to use the technology and allow them to benefit from tray sealing technology. The other big advantage that obviously comes from is it reduces significantly the cost of the pack, because obviously you're buying a sheet rather than buying pre-made trays.
Right. Du coup, dans cette innovation, ce qui est intéressant également, c'est qu'on...
What is interesting with the innovation is that you can change the trays at the drop of a hat. Yes, it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to change the size or the format, which would generally take a lot more time compared to the traditional method. You were told that it was much faster, right? Yes, because right until now, Mondini specialized in that type of sealing machines and did not dabble with any heat-forming machine. Please speak close to the mic. And since they came up with an idea to develop something different, they went all the way, and they started with the sealing machine, the zero and film thermal forming. So there's no film wasted. It's fantastic. So extra flexibility. This allows you to cut the cost. Even if those are not the only advantages, you could have a something that is sufficient to have a lid. Heat forming machines, thermal forming machines generally it doesn't allow you to do this, but you can also have trays that are polystyrene, expanded polystyrene or cardboard trays, and you could even have use a machine with curves. And so there are many different advantages that, and that's probably the reason for which you won. You said early on that the award was given to you, but you work in tandem. Yes, this is a joint award We are the agents. The innovation is actually to be claimed by Mondini, but we've been working with Mondini for over 40 years, and all of the people working at Matéquip only work for Mondini. So we're like a subsidiary, as if we were Mondini's subsidiary in France, if they had one. So we're more than an agent to them, and we're really very happy. We're going to tell all of our clients. Now, what's in store for the future of your products?
Taking the platform or technology to the market. We're using the 40 plus years experience that Vincent has told us about to commercialize this and to bring it to the marketplace. Looking at the applications where we can take the technology. It is as very environmental benefits, the zero waste. Also with the zero technology, we produce a very efficient package in the machine, okay? That's one of the things that customers are now understanding, the benefits that they see from it. And combining with the Travi tray sealing range, with the skin technology, with the Darfresh on tray technology, with the MAP technology, with the protrusion technology, suddenly customers are confronted with a system that can offer them a lot of flexibility without compromising on the productivity, the speed of the machine. It gives them that security with the Mondini technology that is the leader in the tray sealing market. And combining with our agents of distributors and partners we have in the industry, you know, we want now to push that very hard and develop the technology maybe onto the second stage, which will be using different materials. Okay, today it's on PET sheet. Tomorrow we're looking at other materials.
Like what?
Maybe CPET type of materials, maybe polystyrene, maybe foamed type of materials. So it gives more and more options for the customer. And then today that's very important. The more we speak to our customers, they want the flexibility of technology, that they don't get trapped into one packaging format. That if the market decides to move in another direction, or their customer decides to look at the products and want to tier the products in terms of premium range, standard range, and maybe a value range, they can do that with one system without having to buy 3 systems. This is all the things that is driving Mondini in our innovation, is to give our customers that choice.
Une belle flexibilité. Bravo, messieurs. En tout cas, merci d'avoir été.
Fantastic and well done. Thank you very much for joining us, and thank you to all of you in the audience who have been here for the latest trends. We will meet again tomorrow for a new episode with a new innovation. And in the meantime, maybe you want to walk around hall number 7 and check out all of the 42 award, those who were shortlisted for the award. Thank you.